Internet Income System Review and Bonuses. Forget everything you know about IIS. Update August 2024. What's up, everyone? In this Internet Income System Review and Bonuses, forget everything you know about IIS video, I'm going to tell you about what big changes are coming to the Internet Income System, also known as IIS. Now, you won't believe what is happening right now, starting August 1st, 2024, so hang in there with me, and I will give you all the juicy deets. But before I break the big breaking news, I would appreciate it if you click that subscribe button below, and also click the thumbs up icon below to like this video. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to the new Internet Income System for free with the link below this video. Okay guys, it's been a minute since I did an Internet Income System update video. First of all, if you watched any of my Internet Income System review videos about IIS or Internet Income System, forget everything that I showed you. And if you're a little confused and even a bit pissed off, I understand. Now, I've been following along with the Internet Income System changes and tried my best to give you the latest information as it was evolving. Since the Internet Income System has been going through a major overhaul, I decided not to do any more videos until the details of the new IIS have been completed. I now feel that the new Internet Income System is ready for action, so I wanted to get you the info as soon as I could. So first and foremost, the new Internet Income System is completely different than the system that you originally saw when IIS rolled out. And I will get into the details of that in just a moment. The new and seemingly improved Internet Income System has officially pre-launched as of August 1st, 2024. Now, during the pre-launch, there are some important things to know, so I encourage you to stick around and watch this entire video. Now, as of August 1st, 2024, the Internet Income System pre-launch is active, but in order to promote the new Internet Income System during the pre-launch, you have to be a super affiliate. Now, stick with me while I explain. The new Internet Income System, again, is completely different. There is no longer a requirement to pay to be an affiliate. There's no more a requirement to pay to join. So yes, you can join for free and access a lot of good free training. Not only that, but you can make 30% commissions as a free member. So the new affiliate structure is as follows. Free affiliates, also known as students, can join for free and get access to several high-quality trainings provided by Chris Record and others, and this free training will continue to expand over time. Now, there are 3 levels of affiliates: students, super affiliates, and master affiliates. Again, all levels are free to join, but there are some things you need to know about reaching the super and master affiliate levels. Again, students can make 30% commission on IIS core products. Super affiliates make 40%, and master affiliates make 50%. Now, what are the Internet Income System core products, you may ask? Currently, there is only one product in the Internet Income System core product line called the Super Link. Now, the Super Link is a product that allows you to swap your affiliate link for any product in the Internet Income System marketplace. So what products are in the IIS marketplace? Well, starting out, there will be a few different tools and apps like funnel building programs, apps like AI avatar creators, AI music generators, tools that are very popular to assist with marketing in these current times. Now, the details aren't fully out there yet, but the vision is to have hundreds of tools that are both free and paid to join as an affiliate. And if you get an affiliate link for these tools, then you could swap out your affiliate link in the IIS marketplace. Then anyone you sign up that comes through will be clicking on your link, and you will make the commissions off those marketplace items. Now, there will also be other IIS core products released as the new internet income system evolves. But the important point is that IIS affiliates, again, free to join, will only make the 30 to 50% commissions on internet income system core products. The Superlink product right now is slated to be either $100 per month or $1,200 per year, and that product is the product that allows members to swap out their affiliate links in the links in the IIS marketplace. Now, once IIS fully launches on September 5th, 2024, the only way to achieve super affiliate is to have 50 active Superlink subscribers each month. Now, the only way to achieve master affiliate status is to have 100 active Superlink subscribers in a given month. But during pre-launch, there is a way to become a super affiliate. Now, details on that in just a sec. Super affiliates not only get 40% commissions, they get a 10% override on commissions for their entire organization and a 10% check matching commissions on personal referrals. Now, master affiliates get 50% commissions and a 20% override on free members and a 10% override on super affiliates, as well as a 10% check matching commission on personal referrals. Now, if anyone is an active Superlink member, the master affiliates will be able to override their entire organization with their affiliate marketplace links. Now, this can be very powerful if you understand how the marketplace works and how many multiple income streams will eventually be in the internet income system marketplace. Now, I should also mention that free members are hard-coded to the person that signed them up for life. So once they sign up, there will be no affiliate cookie overrides or anything like that. Those members are hard-coded to you for life, and you will earn commissions on anything they buy other than the marketplace links unless you are a Superlink member. Now, during this short pre-launch in August of 2024, only super affiliates will be able to invite members to join for free. And the only way to invite free members is with an invitation tool inside the Internet Income System back office, and that requires the invitee's email address. This is also limited to 100 invitees per super affiliate until that invitee clicks on the email to join. Then more spots will open up. Now, this is in place to prevent spam, prevent someone from uploading a list of 100 fake emails and such like that. Now, during this pre-launch, there will be a super Zoom every Thursday night that free members will be invited to with various trainings on online marketing, how to get traffic, how to get leads and sales, etc. This training will be provided by Chris Record, and at the end, he will give free members the option to upgrade to super affiliate with a one-time Godfather offer. This again is a one-time offer to become what they're calling a Founders Club member. Now, Founders Club members will get access, get the super affiliate status, will also get the super link for 1 year, and access to other bonuses such as video funnels for lifetime and the ability to invite others to the internet income system. The pre-launch is scheduled to last until the end of August 2024, and the official relaunch of IIS is slated to be September 5th, 2024. After this, there will be no other way to earn super affiliate or master affiliate status other than to earn it by having either 50 or 100 personal Superlink members in any given month. Now, I know that was a lot to digest, but in summary, the Internet Income System is in a relaunch, a pre-launch right now during August of 2024. During that time, there is a chance for anyone like myself that is a super or master affiliate to invite others to become free members of the Internet Income System. And those members will have a chance to buy their way in to become a super affiliate with super link swapping for 1 year. After August 31st of 2024, the pre-launch is over and the official launch of the new IIS will begin. The Internet Income System will still be free to join, but there will be no other ways to obtain super or master affiliate levels other than earning them. Also, the Superlink product will be available to anyone on a monthly or yearly subscription. Other core products will be added, but it is unclear what those products might be at this time. Also, for those of you that are already IIS members, there will be an option to become a super affiliate at a discounted price only during the pre-launch. Now, those details should be sent to you in email and in your back office. Now, during the pre-launch, there will be a 40% commission awarded to any super affiliate that brings in a member that upgrades to the Godfather offer on the Thursday night Super Zooms. Now, in summary, I am happy that the Internet Income System is now offering free access and training. There is no more pay to play. And also, there is no requirement to pay a monthly affiliate fee. And the hard coding of free members means you won't lose any commissions on anyone you sign up for the free membership ever. Now, if you want to learn more, want to become a free member, or are interested in joining the special pre-launch offer, just comment below. Now, I'm currently working to upgrade the link below this video to go to a special page where you can add your info into a form so I can get you out a special invitation. I only ask that serious peeps only apply to this or click on that link, as I only have 100 invitations to give out. And I want to make sure they go to folks that are serious about learning more about building a residual online income or are interested in the Internet Income System. Now, in the meantime, until I get that link updated, please just comment below if you're interested, and I will get you a way to email me your email address. Now, if you have any questions about something that I may have missed, feel free to comment below. Okay, that's it for this Internet Income System review and bonuses. Forget everything you know about IIS. Update August 2024 video. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.